Hello, my name is Angela Johnson, one of the dedicated instructors here at Louisville Beauty Academy, a Kentucky state-licensed and state-accredited beauty college with nearly 2,000 graduates. Together, we contribute an estimated $20 to $50 million each year to the Kentucky economy, and we are still growing. Congratulations! You have now completed the required 1,500 hours for the Kentucky Cosmetology program, almost a full year of training, often completed in about 10 months here at Louisville Beauty Academy. You are now ready for the hardest part, the theory licensing exam, which covers every domain of cosmetology knowledge, followed by the practical exam, where you will demonstrate your skills across multiple service areas exactly as the state board requires. Thanks to Senate Bill 22 and the leadership of the Kentucky State Board of Cosmetology, you can now take the licensing exam unlimited times, once a month, until you pass. The exam is available in 6 languages: English, Simplified Chinese, Spanish, Vietnamese, Korean, and Portuguese. At Louisville Beauty Academy, you receive free lifetime access to Milady CIMA, the most advanced beauty education system in the world, with 85% of the national market share. This system allows you to study anytime and anywhere, with lessons, videos, and practice tests that match exactly what you will see on the real state exam. Every student also receives a complete PSI-compliant student kit for free. This kit is ready from day one for both practice and the real licensing exam. You will never need to guess what to bring or how to prepare. It is all there for you. Once you graduate, you are still part of the Louisville Beauty Academy family. You can come back anytime for free to practice, refresh your skills, and work alongside instructors and current students until you are fully confident to pass your exam. Our instructors are always available to guide you. The most important part of your practical exam is safety and sanitation. Always wash and sanitize your hands, wear gloves when required, disinfect all tools before and after each service, properly dispose of any dropped or contaminated items, and keep your station clean at all times. Your next steps are simple. Step 1. Use your Milady CIMA account every day to study and practice. Step 2. Review the PSI Candidate Information Bulletin carefully. Step 3. Practice with your free student kit in the exact order required for the state board. Step 4. Schedule your theory and practical exams with PSI and take them with confidence. At Louisville Beauty Academy, our mission is simple: prepare you to pass your licensing exam and launch your career debt-free. We provide the tools, the training, and the support. You bring the commitment and the "yes, I can" attitude. To start your journey, email study@louisvillebeautyacademy.net or text 502-625531. Your future as a Kentucky licensed cosmetologist starts now. Come visit us at either of our 2 campuses, centrally located on Bardstown Road and in the South End at Harbor House. We welcome walk-in tours during regular business hours, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can also text or email us anytime. We speak your language, and we proudly serve as Kentucky's most affordable, most flexible, and multi-award-winning beauty school.